In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare keywords in Google Trends fast and easy. This will allow you to harness the power of data to make informed decisions, whether you're running a marketing campaign, planning content, or just curious about what's hot at the moment. First, let's begin with opening your web browser and navigating to Google Trends. You can use any search engine you prefer, but for simplicity, let's use Google. Type in Google Trends in the search bar and press Enter. The first link that appears is usually the one you need, so go ahead and click on it. Once the Google Trends homepage loads up, you'll notice a world of data at your fingertips, just waiting to be explored. Next, on the homepage, you'll find an option labeled Explore. Click on it. This will take you into the main interface where you can start inputting your search data. The first thing you'll want to set is your target location. This lets you focus either globally or hone in on a specific country. You'll find this option easily on the page, so just select the one that suits your needs the best. Now it's time to enter the first brand name or keyword you are interested in. Let's say, for example, you choose Nike. Simply type it into the search bar and hit Enter. Instantly, you'll be taken to a graph that shows you the search trend for Nike over a pre-selected time period. It's a clear and sharp way to visualize how interest in this brand has changed over time. To make your analysis more comparative, you can add another brand or keyword. All you need to do is click the plus compare button located near the search bar. Let's add Adidas for this comparison. Type in the name and press Enter. Now your graph will display data for both Nike and Adidas. Google Trends allows you to repeat this process for up to 5 different terms, so feel free to add other competitors or topics if you wish. Next, let's adjust the time range to understand the trends better. A drop-down menu provides options ranging from the past 7 days to the past 5 years, or even specific custom ranges. Selecting the past 12 months can help you see recent trends, while the past 5 years gives you insight into long-term brand growth. With your range and keywords in place, it's time to analyze the data. The interest over time graph will reveal which brand has more consistent searches, whereas the interest by region map helps identify where each brand is more popular. Don't forget to check the related queries and topics. These can reveal new trends or campaigns that are gaining traction. By following these steps, you can easily leverage Google Trends to make more strategic decisions or satisfy your curiosity about how various brands or topics measure up against each other. Explore these features and unlock the power that data trends offer.